hot dog shirt?
Yeah, I would not wear that, just saying.
Reminds me, I asked you about mine.
I'd wear the hot dog shirt. You got it, man.
No, I'd wear the hat. I'm hearing another band. Oh, middle school does March Homecoming. That's right. I totally forgot about that. I don't know why.
Oh my god! Look at that car. Not that one.
Yeah, I know. I see it. I see it. I'm recording right now.
Oh my god! Oh, this is so oh my god, I love it.
Look at AJ looking pimpin'. AJ looking pimpin'. What's going on Facebook, man? I'll tag you later. Good God, I don't even want to look at them. I want to look at the car.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
I
mean, they look nice, but the car is
way nicer than they are.
Yeah.
Hell, I'm not afraid to say that. The car is nice.
Good God.
Yeah.
I don't know who they are. That's a different problem.
Oh, wow.
I was riding that last year.
Fun, bud. I was going, Kayla. Ah, yeah, look so cute. Oh, it's Henderson and her smirk. Oh my God.
That looks fun.
Carolyn, how you get in the car? How y'all get there?
Jump in, go.
Y'all could have said something. I would have showed up. I think the middle school might be better this year, though.
Of course, my sister's in it.
Your sister is a beast trumpet, I ain't gonna lie.
She can't read music very well.
She plays well, though, once she gets it.
I had to help her.